Folder is step 2, quota and matching. Bid match range. This is a surface bid match process. It's to give numbers of what each bid match number will run for each chapter. Now you will go to run bid matching to plug in the number you'll use to process bid matching. The end range cannot be 5 more than what your starting range is, or it will not process. So if our starting range is 1, our end range would be 5. We would then click process, and this would tell us at each run quota how many P&Ms matched. So that, again, would let us know what number we need to run bid matching for as our run quota. If we decided on 4, we would click apply to all, then that would update for each chapter. You can have a variable quota, run quota for a specific chapter. Once you click process, you can then view your matched and unmatched results. If you have a P&M that's single intentional pref that did not match, they will show up here highlighted in yellow. You can also view your unmatched results by chapter. Make manual additions is for gridlock purposes only. This screen is not used for quota or snap bid additions. The last screen in this section is finalize step 2. Once you have processed, you would come here to click finalize step 2. On a side note, if you have a primary and secondary pull, please remember you will have to process for your primary pull and then process for your secondary pull before you continue down to the finalize step 2 screen to finalize. Once finalized, you can then go to step 3, which is quota and snap bid additions. Your quota additions are any P&Ms that did not match with the chapter. Again, if that P&M single intentional pref, they will be highlighted in yellow. If you would like to quota add a P&M to a chapter, you would simply click add, select the chapter, and click save. For make snap bid additions, your snap bids are going to be any P&Ms that are withdrawn, dropped out, released, or no-show status. To snap bid a P&M, you would click add, select the chapter, and click save. Once you've done that, you would then see the snap bid MRABA, which is a regular MRABA, but the P&M would need to sign this MRABA and accept it. Validate quota and snap bid additions. This is where you really just want to validate everything. If you need to change a snap bid, if you've matched to the wrong chapter, you would simply want to click remove and then go back and make that snap bid addition again so that your MRABA is correct. If you do have a quota add, you could certainly come in here, change the quota add, and click save. You would not want to change a matched chapter for a P&M. Delete matched results is a button that you would click only if you wanted to start over at the beginning of step 2. If you click delete finalize step 2, it's going to clear out everything in step 2 and step 3, and you'll have to start over. The last folder is finalize recruitment. Final rosters, if you would like to print final rosters, you could do so in this screen. But the very last screen that you need to attend to is finalize recruitment. Once you're ready, you're going to lock bid match results. Once you lock your bid match results, it's going to lock your quota and snap bid screens. So that's what lock or finalize recruitment does, lock bid match results. When you're ready, you're going to post to chapters. You do not need to post to chapters immediately, but you certainly can do that. But once you post to chapters, I strongly recommend you post to member management so that if your chapter would like to use member management for roster management, they would have those P&Ms for this recruitment already loaded in that tab. If you do need to unlock your bid match results, that is perfectly fine, very safe to do. The only thing that does is it unlocks your quota and snap bid, but of course it will also revoke the chapters view. So once you make changes, you would need to come back, lock bid match results, post to chapters, and post to member management again. This concludes today's trainings. If you have any questions at all about your Session 2 training or during your recruitment, we do have 24/7 support during your recruitment only. You are more than welcome to click support. We do advise you to look at the Get Help section if possible, and if you can't find the answer, please click support. Email your question to support, and we will be happy to answer those questions. Thank you.